everyone, I'm Dennis Wang. Welcome to Foshan Autom packaging machinery. Today, it's my honor to introduce you this customized flow wrapping machine for packing 250 grams Shisha. Okay, let me show you the details, all details of this machine. Look at this part, it is our wing packer. The model number of this machine is ATM 350XQ. Here is our touch screen. Look at this part, it is a mid seal device. Horizontal sealing device with the cutter. Look at this part, it is keypad device, raw field, and color mark sensor. Look at this part, it is our Shisha through material